Have you ever wondered why most middle-class people work their entire life but still never become truly rich? The truth is, it's not because they don't work hard. In fact, the middle class works extremely hard. But the real reason is the system and the habits they follow. First, the salary trap. Most middle class people depend on only one source of income, their job. Every month, they work for a paycheck, pay bills, and wait for the next salary. And if the income stops, everything stops. Second, lifestyle inflation. When income increases, expenses increase too. A better phone, a bigger house, a new car. Instead of investing extra money, it goes into maintaining a lifestyle. Third, fear of investing. Many middle-class families keep their money only in savings accounts. But the problem is, money in the bank grows slowly while inflation keeps rising. Fourth, lack of financial education. Schools teach us how to pass exams, but rarely teach how money actually works. And finally, buying liabilities instead of assets. The rich focus on buying assets that generate income, but the middle class often spends money on things that only cost more over time. Now, here's the good news. You don't have to stay stuck in this cycle. Start learning about money, start investing early, and most importantly, build multiple sources of income because wealth is not created by working harder. It's created by making your money work for you. Once you understand money, your entire financial future can change.